hello, dear friends. Welcome to Roshan's English World. Imagine this: you walk into your favorite cafe, the aroma of fresh chai fills the air, and you spot an old friend across the room. You wave excitedly and say, "Long time no see. How it's going?" From that moment, your conversation flow naturally, sharing exciting news, cracking jokes, and making plans. But have you ever noticed your certain expressions make conversation feel more engaging and lively? Expressions like on cloud nine, break a leg, or spill the beans add color to our words, making us sound more fluent and confident. In today's lesson, we will explore these expressions through a fun cave scene with two friends, Rohan and Jyoti. By the end of this class, you will not only understand these expressions but also know how to use them effortlessly in your daily conversations. So, grab your coffee or chai and let's dive into the world of spoken English, and that is Roshan's English World. Okay, friends, let's start today's session without any late. Okay, then Jyoti seen her friend Rohan, and she excitedly waving her hand and say like this, Rohan, long time no see. How it's going? Jyoti, it's been ages. I am at cloud nine today. Just got a promotion at work. No way. That's amazing. Break a leg in your new role. You totally deserve it. Thank you, Jyoti. It feels surreal. So, what's new with you? Well, I have been super busy, but guess what? I finally started my own food log. That's fantastic. You really hit the nail on the head with your passion for food. What it's called? Spice and Slice. I explore hidden gems in Mumbai, from street food to fine dining. That sound awesome. I always knew you had a knack for storytelling. In between, the barista arrives with their order and he said, here is your masala chai and filter coffee. Enjoy it, sir. Thanks a lot. Oh, by the way, have you heard about Vikram? No. What happened? Spill the beans? He is moving to Bangalore for a job. He got an offer from a top tech company. Wow, that's a big change. I hope everything goes well for him. We should throw him a farewell party. Great idea. Let's get our old gang together. It will just like the good old days. Okay, dear all. Today we explored how expressions can turn ordinary conversations into engaging and natural interactions, just like Jyoti and Rohan's chat at the cave, using phrases like on cloud nine, break a leg, or spill the beans, make your speech more lively, expressive, and fluent. But learning expressions isn't just about memorizing words, it's about practicing them in real conversations. Try using these phrases when chatting with your friends and responding to messages or even ordering your next cup of chai. Remember, the key to mastering spoken English is confidence and practice. So, go ahead, speak up, express yourself, and make every conversation count. Happy learning and see you in the next session. Until then, take care. Goodbye.